Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that can transform your sleep experience, the best bed vacuum cleaners on the market. Bed hash sparkles. If you've ever woken up with sneezes or itchy skin, you might be dealing with dust mites and allergens hiding in your mattress. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll reveal the top-rated bed vacuum cleaners that promise to deep clean your sleeping space, making it fresher and healthier than ever before. So, stay tuned, hit that like button, and let's discover the best ways to keep your bed spotless and cozy. Number 5. JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate solution for a cleaner, healthier bed. With an impressive 16 kPa suction power and 500W motor, this upgraded vacuum features a thickened dual roller brush and 10-inch dual suction ports, effectively doubling your cleaning efficiency. The innovative 253.7 nanometers UVC light technology penetrates deep into your mattress, eliminating up to 99.9% of unseen particles along with hot air dehumidification and ultrasonic interference. Equipped with a 5-stage filtration system, including a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles as tiny as 0.3 micrometers, it ensures clean air output while keeping maintenance simple. The JPHYLL vacuum also includes UV protection for safety, activating the UV light only when in use. With one-button operation and a 16.5 feet extended cord, maneuvering around your bed is a breeze. Plus, its durable design ensures a lifespan of up to 10 years, making it a smart investment. Experience the difference with the JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, perfect for anyone searching for the best bed vacuum cleaner on the market. Number 4. Jigoo Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Experience the ultimate in deep cleaning with the Jigoo Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Boasting a powerful 500W motor and an impressive 13 kPa strong suction, this vacuum effectively tackles hidden dust and allergens lurking in your mattress and upholstery. With over 12,000 vibrations per minute, it shakes loose dirt, making it easier to suck up even the most stubborn particles. The advanced 253.7 nanometers UV light and ultrasonic technology eliminate 99% of allergens, while the steamless heating blow function maintains a consistent temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a thorough clean. Featuring high-efficiency HEPA filtration, it captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, releasing fresh air and preventing recontamination. The smart indicator alerts you when allergens are detected, ensuring no dirt is left behind. Designed for convenience, the 16-foot power cord and ergonomic handle make maneuvering around large areas effortless. The wider 20.8 cm suction port allows for quicker dust removal, making the Jigoo Mattress Vacuum Cleaner your go-to choice for the best bed vacuum cleaner on the market. Number 3. SWDK Portable Bed Vacuum Cleaner. Revolutionize your cleaning routine with this cordless, rechargeable mattress vacuum cleaner, designed to deliver powerful suction and deep cleaning for your bedding, carpets, and upholstery. Featuring double pulsation pads that vibrate at an impressive 8,000 times per minute, this vacuum agitates dust and dirt, ensuring that even the most stubborn particles are lifted away. The wireless design eliminates the hassle of cords, allowing you to effortlessly clean every nook and cranny. Plus, its stylish charging dock makes storage convenient and chic. Equipped with a high-efficiency HEPA filter, it captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring the air you breathe is clean and fresh. With a user-friendly snap-on dust box that can be rinsed underwater, maintenance is a breeze. The SWDK Portable Bed Vacuum Cleaner is not just an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal, it's also a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day return policy and 1-year quality guarantee. Elevate your cleaning experience and discover why the SWDK is the best bed vacuum cleaner on the market today. Number 2. JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Bed Vacuum Cleaner is the ultimate solution for a cleaner, healthier home. With an impressive 16 kPa suction and 500W stable power, this vacuum ensures enhanced cleaning performance, effectively saving you time and effort. Its quintuple tech features a powerful combination of 253.7 nanometers UVC light, ultrasonic cleaning, 60 degrees Celsius heat, and a 30,000 RPM brush roll rotation, making it the best bed vacuum cleaner available. The HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 micrometers, ensuring a thorough clean while preventing clogs. Designed for effortless use, this vacuum weighs just 3.8 pounds and features a 13-foot power cable for easy maneuverability. Safety is a priority with the UV light, which only activates when the vacuum is in use, preventing any leakage. With widened suction ports and simplified disassembly for cleaning, the JPHYLL vacuum makes maintaining your home a breeze. Built from high-quality materials, it promises durability and reliability for over 10 years. Experience the difference of a deep clean with the JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Bed Vacuum Cleaner, your go-to choice for the best bed vacuum cleaner. Number 1. Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is the ultimate solution for anyone seeking a cleaner and healthier sleeping environment. With an impressive 14 kilopascal suction power and high-frequency tapping, this vacuum effortlessly lifts fine dust and allergens lurking deep within your mattress. Equipped with a 254 nanometers UVC light and 140 degrees Fahrenheit high heating technology, it eliminates 99.99% of allergens from your bed, pillows, and carpets, ensuring you breathe easier while you sleep. This versatile cleaner offers a 3-in-1 cleaning experience with powerful tapping, suction, and UV options, making it easy to tackle any mess. Its 5 meters 16.4 feet cable and 0.5 L 16.9 ounces dust cup allow for extended use without frequent emptying, saving you time on chores. Designed with a widened 240mm suction port, it quickly collects pet hair and dust, while the high-speed motor features dual cyclone filtration to prevent clogging and tangling. Weighing in at just 7.93 pounds, the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner combines durability with exquisite craftsmanship, promising reliable performance for over 10 years. Join the 10 million plus global vacuum club and experience the best bed vacuum cleaner for yourself. In conclusion, investing in the best bed vacuum cleaner is essential for maintaining a clean and healthy sleep environment. Whether you suffer from allergies or simply want to keep your bedding fresh, these vacuum cleaners effectively remove dust mites, allergens, and debris. Remember to choose a model that fits your needs and preferences to ensure the best results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share your thoughts and experiences, and let us know which vacuum cleaner you love the most.